Clutch in. Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Beemer Fam. You guys join us out here with my little brother Ty, 14, almost 15 years old now. We're gonna teach him how to drive manual on our 1999 BMW M Roadster D3. Here goes the keys, but first, before we get into driving the car, you gotta learn how these things work. So you got some good experience with these cars, right? Manuals, Forza, video games, anything you worried about?
A lot of things. Stalling, getting started.
What's good, you have some experience with the DCT, so you kind of know how the clutches work. We figured this would be much easier than the M6 and the G80. About 200-ish horsepower, painted the car yellow, rear-wheel drive. And underneath the hood of the car, we have the beautiful S50 inline 6, I think north of 250 horsepower inside this little car. These things weigh like 2,800 pounds. Super fun, super light. Should be a great platform to learn manual on. We also have full straight piped exhaust system on it. Custom, little 3-inch bezel tips. Let's go ahead and hop inside the car and get started. First and foremost, this car's got 5 gears. There's no 6th. So it's a 5-speed. You got 3 pedals down there. You got gas on the far right, brake in the middle, clutch on the far left.
It's heavy.
It's heavy, isn't it?
Dad's lighter than this, I can't lie.
Yeah, it's old school, raw M.
I'm gonna need to scooch up a little for this.
Yeah, adjust that seating position appropriately. Go through the gears. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, back to neutral. There you go. Clutch in. Yep. Fine, fifth. Neutral. Shake it up. Yeah. Now you're neutral.
Is this good? Is that good enough? Because when I shift it, I did this.
So when you shift it, you got to go all the way to the floor.
But I feel like what I don't like is that you got to push the clutch all the way down.
All the way.
The gas is just on my foot.
Yep.
Just chilling.
So you have to go all the way on the gas, or all the way off the gas.
All the way off the gas.
And all the way on the clutch to the floor.
Okay, you literally dancing.
Yep. There you go. So I'm gonna have him practice this for a little bit, and then we'll move on to the next stage. While Ty practices shifting, we get to thank the sponsor of today's video, which is 70mi. Meet the new 70mi 4K T800, the world's first ever dual 4K 3-channel dash cam. And as soon as we open up the box, we're greeted with the T800 dash cam itself. And not only is this thing built super sturdy and made out of nice hard plastic, but it has multiple cameras. This right here is the main front-facing camera, and then on a swivel, you can see the cabin view-facing camera. The third and final camera goes on the rear windshield, making sure every angle of your car is covered for those emergency situations. With the super fast and simple installation process, all you have to do is mount the T800 to the front windshield, and from there you'll notice both the cabin facing and front facing cameras rotate on a swivel. Go ahead and plug in the included USB cable and SD card, then hold the power button to turn the camera on. Now it's time to install the rear facing camera by mounting and plugging the USB cable into the main camera. You can now switch between all 3 cameras at any moment. And now that everything is set up, you can see how crystal clear the 4K resolution is on both the front and rear cameras. Powered by Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensors, the T800 captures HDR footage across all 3 channels, so glare, shadows, or blown out highlights aren't a problem. Think rear end collisions, cutoffs, hit and runs, and you've got all angles recorded in sharp, detailed 4K. There's also a third interior camera with IR night vision, so whether you're daily driving, ride sharing, or road tripping with the crew, everything inside the cabin is covered, even in pitch black. And that is why I highly recommend the 70mi T800 dash cam. If you are interested in getting yourself or a loved one a 70mi dash cam, I'll leave all links in the description. Be sure to keep an eye out for any discount codes to save yourself or a loved one some money. This thing is going to be great, especially for the newer drivers out there. Keep you guys safe. With that being said, Ty should be done practicing, so let's go ahead and continue on with his lesson. I'm going to give Ty some demonstration on what we're doing in this car. Alright, so right now we're neutral. Clutch goes in, nothing's happening. Right? It's neutral,
So
baby.
in neutral, you just stand still.
Yep. And then first, I'm not going to
clutch in right now.
Clutch is all the way in. It has to be in to engage the gear, right? So when you're neutral, you can go off. But if you're about to engage gear, just keep it down. And if you don't know, oh, I don't know if I need to clutch in or up, just keep it down. Because remember, when in doubt, go neutral. So when in doubt, put the clutch pedal all the way down, right? So we're going neutral. Clutch in first. I'm not gonna touch the gas at all. I'm just gonna slowly release the third pedal. Right? See how we're moving? I'm holding it here. So this is the biting point.
You still on the clutch a little bit?
Yeah, I'm just holding the same spot. Now I'm back in. So this is what I'm have you start doing. I'm not gonna have you worry about getting in first yet. I'm gonna just have you inch forward and then stop. Get comfortable with it, right? And then the more I release it, the faster we go, just stop. Okay?
When you fully release it, you stall?
When you fully release it and you give it no gas, you'll stall.
So you don't want me to fully release it?
No. So just keep it where you find that biting point, like right here. Here, the revs start to drop. But right now I'm just holding in the same spot. I'm releasing a little bit more.
You're gonna have to give me some space, man.
I didn't put any gas on it.
It's crazy. You still on the clutch a little bit now?
I'm off it.
Oh, what?
I didn't touch the gas at all.
So you said you needed gas for it not to stall.
You don't have to. Now, if you do it super slow like that, then so that's why at first, don't worry about giving it gas. So again, I'm gonna go super slow. Slow. I didn't touch the gas at all that time.
That's insane.
Right? So it's not as hard as you think it would be, as long as you understand the concept of it. So then once you're moving, that's it, you're done, right? So then you go clutch in, and even if the revs drop, right? You do the same thing. Go second, slowly release. And you can do it faster this time. And then you're in second. So the worst thing you could possibly do is stall a car. That's not the end of the world.
Damage the car?
Not much.
Just put some wear on the clutch, is that what it does?
Yeah, exactly. So what gear are you in?
Neutral.
Good. Here goes the key.
All right, so
right
what we gotta
here,
do first?
be with me.
I'm ready.
Relaxed. Game time, baby. All right, so clutch in all the way down. Keep it down. Okay.
Yeah.
Go first. Now, as slow as you possibly can, find the point where the car starts to move, the biting point. And just hold it there. Once you find it, hold it there. Now clutch all the way back in. Now come to a stop. All the way in, keep it in, keep it in. Go neutral. There you go. You got it moving, right? Do it again. Slowly find that point. There you go. All the way off the clutch. Come
All the way off?
Yep.
Oh, I gotta put it in neutral.
All right, go back, wind out, keep it in. Go neutral. Now come to a stop. Keep it neutral. Come off the clutch. Breathe. Okay, you got it moving. Okay, so that you heard the gas start to flutter, right?
Yeah.
So you were going just a little too fast. So just go super slow, right?
Alright.
Off the clutch. Give it some gas. You're in gear. You're driving now.
Oh!
Go second?
Sure.
Slowly. You're second. First shift. Let's go. All right, bring it back around the pole. Go back the other way. Got a little crackle in there too. There you go. All right, so you're in second, right? Second smooth gear. You cruise in this, right? Go neutral. All right, now go first and slowly release into first. Slowly. So this is a downshift. Slowly. Now you're downshifting. That's your first downshift. You get what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
It's not as hard, you know, once you get moving, it's not as hard as you think it is. Okay?
Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah. Give us a couple revs. First reward, right? S50 engine. Off clutch. Breathe. Breathe. A little bit of gas with it. There you go. See, it's getting easier and easier, isn't it? Give it a little throttle. Give it a little bit of gas. Yeah. go. Let's get up a little bit. Yeah. Now go second. A little slow on the downshift.
Good.
Yeah, there you go. There you go. Full throttle. Go left. This thing sound nasty. This dude making sounds I don't know if I've made. No. So now you get the appeal with driving manual, don't you?
Yeah.
It's more driver focused. It's raw. This car is raw.
No.
Talk to him. What's your first thoughts, man? How's this?
It's amazing. It's fun. I can tell what you mean by this car is fun to drive.
Yeah. Old school and raw.
Yup.
Now that he's got the car moving, we're gonna get his shifting down just a little bit better, smoother. Neutral. You see how the revs drop?
Yeah.
So now go second, and slowly go engage it back. There you go. So while you're moving, you can shift the car pretty quickly.
Yeah.
And time it for when those revs not to let them drop too far, and it'll make the shift smoother.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So go ahead, give us some beans in second, go third.
Tried to do it like you for a second. I don't know how you do it some way.
You'll get it down soon enough. Got it down pat pretty quickly, man. I mean, that's 1 to 3rd. Oh, got the little pop going. Go back to second. Try it a little faster. Congratulations, you now technically know how to drive a manual transmission car.
I showed you.
Yes, you can. Yeah. Man, this car is amazing, man. This car just taught him how to drive stick. This dude, man, driving all kind of cars before 16.
415.
415, yeah. How I feel?
Good.
Feel good? Anything that you feel like you need to improve on? Like you want to get better?
Second gear. I think that's getting caught in something.
Yeah, finding the gear pretty much.
Yeah. Focusing, not stalling.
Yeah.
Getting started moving.
You feel like you got going from a stop to a start, you got that down pretty good now?
Don't want to be overconfident, but I think I do.
You got the third.
I actually shifted at the third while moving. You did a pull of it, did you hear it?
Dang, popping and crackling. That one pop in here was crazy. Yeah. So now he's got it done. I got to show him how it's really done. Give him some inspiration. What it's gonna be like when he got it down right. E36, man, it's a great generation. Got too confident. First stall.
I did. That's what I tried.
You ever seen that little that meme of the dog with the hair in the wind? I'm gonna put it on screen right now. Be like the dog. Just breathe. Be relaxed.
Like,
yeah. Just breathe. Yep.